Factor 75 is a pre-cooked healthy meal delivery service that impressed me with both taste and ingredient quality. The meals arrive fresh, not frozen, and only take a few minutes to heat in the microwave or oven. Factor uses organic produce, grass-fed and pasture-raised meats, and avoids GMOs, hormones, preservatives, and refined sugars, though their salmon is farmed, not wild-caught. In my box, favorites like butter chicken, chicken fried rice, and pork chops tasted restaurant quality, while even the Alfredo pasta turned out tender and well balanced. You can choose from 35 plus rotating weekly dishes across diets like keto, calorie smart, protein plus, or vegan divided by veggie, with add-ons like juices, breakfast, and snacks. Pricing ranges from about $11 to $15 per meal depending on volume plus shipping. Downsides include limited vegan divided by veggie variety, no gluten-free certification, and customer service that sometimes feels clunky. Still, Factor stands out for flavor, nutrition, and convenience, making it one of the best ready to eat meal services. Do your own research.